Hi guys, and today I'm just going to be showing you one of my latest slimes. So yeah, and this is where I'm going to usually be filming. Either I can film here or film my desk. That's just my slimes there. So yes, comment down below. And you can also comment down below if you want me to do a full slime collection. I don't know. So yes, see you then. So this is just I think I'm going to call it Jiggle Banana, but I feel like I'm going to call it Jiggle Pear. I love this slime so much. So yes, I don't know what I'm going to call it, so comment down below some suggestions. I really like this slime. It's kind of a jiggly slime. To make it jiggly, what you do is you I don't know, to explain it, you get, I don't really do that as much. I made it really jiggly. I have to start playing with it because at first it was really sticky, and it still is a bit, but I like it. So yes, I think I'm gonna call this Jiggle Banana. I don't know yet. Do you think I should call it something else? Comment down below. So yeah, and also comment down below if you want me to do a full slime collection, or yes, or if you just want me to keep doing it in separate orders. I don't know, comment down below because I don't know either. It's whatever you prefer. And I'm gonna think of a name for all of us, all of my fans. I know I haven't got that many fans, but I need to start thinking. It does make bubbles, by the way, if you've seen them. So yes, I don't know what I'm gonna call them. If you've got any suggestions, just comment down below. So yes, comment down below, and if I have got any glue left, I will make some slime. If you comment down below, only if I know you though. If you're in my school, then I can just bring it to you. But if you're not, then you might live in Africa. I'm just saying. So what I'm gonna do is try and colour this slime red with a Sharpie. I don't think it's gonna work, but I just want to really call it Jiggly Banana. I mean Jiggly Strawberry or something like that. Something to do with strawberry. And never me love. And never me. So yes, I'm just gonna mix it. It's not gonna turn out very red. I know. Sorry. And comment down below if I should add some foam beads into it. Don't know. So yeah. So I've got some foam beads. I'm just gonna add a couple, see what it does. I had another slime like this, but it was more, what's that? Oh, on my iPad. Oopsie daisies. And the foam beads don't stay in, by the way. Put my other slime. So yes. And if you want me to do any more videos, just comment down below and I can do your video suggestion. And yeah. So I'm just gonna. No, I'm just going on. So yes, if you want me to do any more slime collections, because I've got some in my thing, and I keep them on my desk like that. But I don't usually have that one on because that's a clear slime, that's a blue slime, and this was big pink slime. So yeah, bye, and yes, bye.